Hello and welcome to the Frugal Architect's Guide to Eliminating Downtime, brought to you by the industry's most powerful SCADA software, VT SCADA. So I hear you wondering, what does the title really mean? Well, let's take a quick trip down the rabbit hole to find out. Meet Chloe. At 40 years old, Chloe has a job she loves as a manager at her local wastewater utility, a house just down the road from where she grew up, and a $1 million family. Oh, she also has a little pink convertible, which she assures us has nothing to do with her 40th birthday. Things were going pretty well for Chloe. That is, until Larry and Mo came into her life. You see, Chloe needed help fixing a light fixture in their wastewater building control room. Mo and Larry were eager to help, but unfortunately for Chloe, they were also rubbish in the execution. Chloe returned to a damaged but fortunately functioning SCADA computer. The news was less favorable for Nana's plant, fatally injured in the incident. Seeing the near miss which had just occurred, Chloe pondered what might have happened if she lost the SCADA computer. After a moment, Chloe's mind left the unlikely but disastrous possibility of a flood and considered the seemingly unavoidable reality that the utility would suddenly be without its automated monitoring, data collection, alarm triage, and report generating systems. They would also be on the hook to manually read and enter data, create reports, and monitor an array of sites for any sign of adverse conditions. Those reports, of course, would also surely be under extra scrutiny given the lack of data points and increased chance of errors. Her staff would be stressed and working overtime to keep up with the additional capacity they would need to fill. To respond, Chloe would need to place all continuous improvement projects on hold. She soon realized that the near miss had become a wake-up call and that a solution is required. She thought about their utility and remembered something that she had heard in a previous meeting. The water plant, during its last upgrade, was given redundant SCADA servers. Chloe recalled that these servers had fully synchronized services, the holy grail in SCADA backup technology. After considering the area she was responsible for, Chloe realized that she also had two SCADA servers, though each were separated geographically, were running different applications, and neither had a backup. There must be a solution, thought Chloe. She grabbed some paper and began working the problem. Chloe realized each server is licensed for enough tags to run both applications. A promising start, but what about networking? She called her IT contact and was surprised to learn that they already had a VPN between the sites. Problem 2 solved. Chloe made a quick call to her favorite VT SCADA technical salesperson. Pat Cook told her she should really speak to Dave. After a short discussion, Chloe learned that setting up each remote computer to be a synchronized backup to the local computer would be a cinch and wouldn't require updating either system. This simple change would prove the most significant thing she had ever done to reduce the risk of downtime within her SCADA system.